self-contained pressure washer here. We're gonna hook up this to right here, light that fire, spray that nozzle, shoot some diesel. Let's take care of these weeds. So I'm trying to line up the nozzle with the torch. That way when it shoots the gas out, it can line up and shoot through the fire, igniting the diesel. We're using diesel because it's less combustible than gasoline. Lined up now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut off the trim, and then we'll give this bad boy a go. Load the diesel up now. I was asked what kind of fire insurance I have. Well, here it is.
With that anymore, did they please?
Oh, definitely gonna play with it more.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna wait for it to get dark though. And then I'm gonna play with it more than I play with my penis.
Please.
Oh,
God.
I will.